Imagine three developers working on the same project without version control. Developer A edits login, B works on payments, and C accidentally deletes a file. Soon, you have confusing versions like project-final and project-final-latest. Without a system, changes become impossible to manage. That's why we need Git. It's a system that tracks every change safely, bringing order to the development process. At Core2 Cloud, we take you from vision to version. Git operates across three main areas. It all starts in your working directory. This is your active workspace where you create and modify your files. When you modify a file, it turns yellow. To prepare for a save, you use the git add command. This moves a copy into the staging area, signaling that it's ready to be committed. Finally, you commit. This moves your staged changes into the local repository, creating a permanent snapshot of your project at this moment in time. But what exactly is a commit? It's more than just a save. It's a snapshot that includes a unique hash, the author's name, a timestamp, and a complete record of your files. As you work, you create a history. Each new commit points back to its parent, forming a clear, traceable path of every decision made in the project. Internally, Git is elegant. It converts files into blobs and folders into trees. These objects are what make Git incredibly fast and efficient. Branching is one of Git's best features. A branch isn't a new folder, it's just a movable pointer. Here, both main and feature login point to the same starting commit. By switching to your feature branch, you can work independently. As you create new commits, the feature branch moves forward, while the main branch remains safe and stable at its original position. The head pointer always shows where you are. When you check out the main branch, Git instantly updates your working files to match that version. When your work is done, you merge. In a fast-forward merge, the main pointer simply slides forward to catch up with the latest commit on your feature branch. If both branches have changed, Git creates a new purple merge commit. This three-way merge combines the two separate histories into one. Sometimes, Git gets confused if the same line was changed differently. This is a merge conflict. You'll need to manually choose which version to keep before the merge can finish. Rebasing is a cleaner way to integrate changes. It lifts your feature commits and replays them on top of the latest main branch, creating a perfectly linear history. Git is distributed. Your local repository on your computer and the remote repository on a server like GitHub are independent copies of the project. You use clone to copy a repository to your machine. And when you're ready to share your work, you push your local commits up to the remote server. To get updates, you fetch to download changes into your database or pull to download and instantly merge them into your working files. In Teams, we use pull requests. This is a collaborative review process where teammates check your code and run tests before it's allowed into the main branch. Modern development uses automation. Every push triggers a pipeline that builds, tests, and scans your code. If any step fails, the deployment stops, keeping your production environment safe. This is the full DevOps flow. From your first commit to final production deployment, Git is the engine that powers the entire software lifecycle. Git isn't magic. It's a system of snapshots and pointers. Once you see it step by step, it becomes the most powerful tool in your engineering kit. Core2 Cloud. Vision to version.